Australia is home to some of the most unique ecosystems in the world. From towering eucalypt forests to tropical rainforests and arid woodlands, these landscapes provide shelter for an extraordinary variety of plants and animals. But decades of land clearing for agriculture, logging, mining, and urban expansion have taken a heavy toll. Today, reforestation is not just about planting trees. It is about repairing entire ecosystems and giving threatened species a fighting chance. Australia has one of the highest rates of mammal extinction in the world. Clearing forests has left many species without the food, shelter, and safe passage they need to survive. Koalas, once common across the east coast, have seen dramatic declines as eucalypt habitats disappear. Birds like the regent honeyeater and the swift parrot are critically endangered because their woodlands are vanishing. Reforestation projects can change this. By restoring critical habitats, trees provide nesting sites for birds, possums, and countless insects. By reconnecting fragmented landscapes, wildlife corridors allow animals to move safely between feeding and breeding grounds. With a mix of native trees and understory plants, biodiversity flourishes, soil health improves, and pollinators return. And by strengthening climate resilience, reforestation helps ecosystems withstand bushfires, drought, and rising heat. Reforestation in Australia, however, is not as simple as planting any tree. Projects must choose native species to ensure food and shelter for wildlife. They must also account for fire management, designing plantings that reduce risk in bushfire-prone regions. Australia's soils are often nutrient-poor, so reforestation also works to prevent erosion and rebuild fertility. And importantly, Indigenous knowledge plays a crucial role. Traditional practices such as cultural burning are being integrated to ensure long-term success. When we save habitats, we protect our own future. Forests act as water filters, carbon sinks, and climate stabilizers. They support agriculture by maintaining rainfall and pollination. They also offer cultural, recreational, and economic benefits that enrich our communities. Every tree planted is not just a patch of green. It is a step towards saving entire ecosystems that future generations will depend on. Reforestation is a collective effort, and everyone can help. Support organizations that plant native trees. Choose products that don't drive deforestation. Share knowledge about the importance of forests, or take part in local planting days to restore degraded land. At reforestationaction.org, we are committed to restoring Australia's forests and protecting the habitats that make our country unique. Together, we can turn awareness into action and ensure our landscapes remain rich with life.